Look at that. This is Sunday Funday. We're in the Plumas National Forest. This is the fire road, and right next to it is all this amazing rock crawl zone. So we've all kind of separated off on our separate mission to go find awesome trail, and we're gonna link together. There's Mr. Weir, Kevmo's over there, Miner Joe's over there. Look at my new wheels and tires. So there is a ridiculous amount of sick lines everywhere. People are like, why aren't you driving the sick lines, Charlie? I've never been very good at finding the cool lines. I just drive my truck around. Try to use the sidewall. The left front right there. Stick in. Not bad. No. I think we're gonna try to hook up that. No, that looks tricky. We'll try it. I feel like that's much too steep. Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. I got dig. That's pretty cool. I like the lines that have the elevation change and that ridgeline nonsense. That looks pretty steep. It's bigger than the length of the truck. Let's see. This is it. I'm trying to use that left front. Oh, suck. Come down through this section, right along through there. That's very cool. Try to do the turn. Oh gosh. Big off. Dig back on. Get it pointed where I like it. Oh, no. Oh. Look at that front wrap. Oh. Fail. Gotta be more careful with the placement. This guy wants to get up early. Right along there. And the rear's up there. And they gotta all come up together. They're not coming up together. Look at that rear. Oh. Ah. Oh, if I could get. The rocks be in the wrong place to be at all helpful. Oh, wait. This is going to be tricky. Oh. Well, that's gonna fall off right there. Oh. Oh God, that wasn't what we wanted at all.